ChatGPT has been making headlines because of its super advanced coding, writing, and chatting capabilities. ChatGPT has become a part of the public conversation. And in today's video, we will look at 10 hacks you can get your hands on by using ChatGPT, so clearly you don't want to miss out on this. Automate your daily tasks. We all have a daily routine, and tedious tasks to take up our time thoroughly, sending out emails, setting up appointments, or even just writing a shopping list, can take up time and effort. You can automate these tasks by teaching ChatGPT to understand your specific requirements and using it to complete your job. You could teach ChatGPT to understand the formatting of your emails and write and send emails for you. You could focus on more significant tasks because of the hours you save each week. Draft emails. Stringing together all the right types of words to get your message across while still using the right tone and corporate jargon is harder than it looks. Drafting up what is meant to be a quick email can become a tedious, time-consuming task, and ChatGPT is here to help. Basically, all you have to do is copy and paste it to your email, tweaking it to your liking, and hit send. Create templates. Are you training an intern or looking to organize a new project? Are you not sure what the best way to approach a task is? Well, this is where templates can come in handy. So if you don't have any specifics in mind, then sit back, relax, and let ChatGPT take the lead at creating a template. Just ask it to create a template for writing Google ad copy, and it will give you helpful templates and share best practices for each section of copy. Improve writing skills. ChatGPT can be used to improve your writing skills. By providing it with text that you have written, it can analyze your writing style and provide suggestions for improvements. Also, did we mention ChatGPT can assist you in coming up with fresh ideas for your writing by suggesting new subjects? Well, you can hack your way into productivity too. Enhance your memory. Boost your memory by using ChatGPT. As an illustration, suppose you're meeting a new client, and you want to be aware of some crucial information about him. You can tell ChatGPT things such as the client's name, occupation, and hobbies. By giving you a summary of the information, ChatGPT can then assist you in remembering these specifics and make them easier for you to recall in the future. Also, ChatGPT can remind you of significant occasions like the client's birthday and anniversary, helping you to keep a positive relationship with him. By doing this, you can make sure you always remember a deadline and keep your clients happy. Create variations of the same text. Finding new and exciting ways to convey the same text in copy is undoubtedly a pain, and after working at the same place for a few years, you need more creative variations for ads and content. To generate copy variations, use this prompt for ChatGPT, which is, quote, "Think like a digital marketer and create 4 variants for this Facebook ad copy." Are you loving these exciting hacks using ChatGPT so far? If so, you might want to stick till the end for the last one, but please don't forget to like this video. Let's continue. List and evaluate. It's crucial to test your design while creating a chatbot or virtual assistant and to make changes as you go. It entails testing the model with a range of inputs and making adjustments in light of the findings. You can experiment with different inputs to see how the model responds and, if necessary, adjust the cues or techniques for data augmentation. By testing and iterating, you can ensure that your chatbot or digital assistant is actual risks and pertinent information. Diversifying arguments. We all have had to sell our ideas at some point, whether we're trying to persuade our bosses to buy a new software program, trying to sell our freelance services to a client, or trying to get a new project off the ground. Ask ChatGPT to write one for you to make your case stronger. It can help you, but you still need to think about it, and you can use these to back up the points that you were going to make anyway. You can also ask it to argue against your ideas, which will help you get ready for what your audience might say. Organize your hectic work schedule. You can use ChatGPT to assist with scheduling. It can make a schedule incorporating all your commitments if you tell it about your upcoming meetings and appointments. Additionally, it can act as an alert for approaching occasions, ensuring that you're always going to remember an appointment. Manage conversations. You can manage a conversation's flow and to make sure that the chatbot or virtual assistant responds appropriately by using a dialogue management system. When using ChatGPT, you can use this to direct the conversation and make sure the model is producing pertinent and predicting the strength. For instance, you can use a dialogue management system to ensure the chatbot advises on the weather or restaurant guidelines before moving on to other topics. Get trendy captions. Whether you're creating content for a personal or professional account, you could ask ChatGPT to advise with captions. Finding a short and trendy caption that also applies to your picture can be challenging, especially for content that isn't particularly descriptive, such as selfies. You can feed input into ChatGPT with as much detail as you'd like about your photo for it to generate the perfect caption. What are your thoughts on ChatGPT? Let us know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want more insightful videos, click on your screen now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you there.